Hey guys, we're back here with another Excel tutorial, this one on how to use Excel's COUNTIF function. So I'm going to present a scenario to you. Let's suppose we want to count the number of people who have consumed more than 10 apples. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to type in equal COUNTIF and then drag all the apple cells, comma, then in quotations, it has to be in quotations, type in greater than 10. Press enter and you get 6. 6 people have consumed more than 10 apples. You can do the same thing if you want to see all the people named Beatrice. Drag down the person column and type in Beatrice in quotations. Press enter. 4 people are named Beatrice. There you go. That's how you use Excel's COUNTIF function.